Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff here at High Fashion Sewing Machines in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not a employee of Bernina of America. I have a dealership here in Colorado. Today I'm going to let you know that the long-awaited update for the 790 Pro is here. It alleviates some issues with some stitch counts when you're embroidering and a couple other little fixes. So it is ready. That particular new update number is 43.00.11, and you can get it from the Bernina site and try to go download it yourself, or you can buy the update stick from me on my Shopify account, and that's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. And if you look for 790 Pro update, you get a USB stick to keep after you've got the update. The other little thing that has popped up on some of these is when you go to use the needle threader will come down and doesn't pop all the way back up. Do you see here? It's popped all the way back up. It pops up to about the top of my finger there, and then it just needs to be a little help to be pushed up. That is a quick little fix. There's a little screw inside here that when next time you take it to your dealer, they can fix that for you. We had a lunch and learn from Bernina on that was one little screw that was a little bit too tight from the factory, and with all the different temperatures and everything else, it just needs to be loosened up a little bit. But outside of that, the 790 Pro has been performing. Everybody I've sold it to has absolutely loved it. The embroidery features, the pinpoint and the new Stitch Precision 2 is amazing. So if you haven't checked it out, go to a dealer and have them give you a look. I'm having a reveal party in January where we're going to have a 3-hour class on just some of its cool features, and hopefully I'll sell you some. Thank you very much. Again, Bernina Jeff, you can contact us at 970-256-1293 after 9:30 Mountain Time, or you can email me at jpv as in Victor, lefty at AOL.com. That's jpvlefty at AOL.com. And you can visit our website at www.hifashiongj.com. And please shop my Shopify account. That's where the update will be. And that's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. Thanks.